There's Zoey, and she's off leash. There's a truck, and as you can see, we are nowhere near town. It's a pond. It's a trail we took to get here. It's another pond. And the trail we could go down further, but we're not going to. And the truck again. And as you can see, she's off leash. This is the closest I can get to a dog park without going into town. This isn't too far from home. This is an old bush trail. Anyhow, she's enjoying herself. And she'll get cold, she'll come back because we're nowhere near any kind of traffic whatsoever. And my battery's dying. So signing off.